Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to solve what problems based on the proportion concept. So our first question is the incomes of Ruchi and Rajan are in the ratio 4:7. If Ruchi earns rupees 16,800 per month, how much does Rajan earn per month? So this is our question. So now solve this. So first we have ratio of income. So that is given 4:7. So now I write Ruchi's income equals to, so it is given rupees 16,800. So now I will make our proportion. So write proportion. See now our proportion, in the first column the ratio will be the ratio of the income, and in the second the ratio will be the amount of income. So first we write the ratio of income, that is 4:7, and now as we write now first Ruchi's income, that is 16,800. So now is to we write x, as you have to find the value of Rajan's income, that you take as x. Now we write therefore, so now I arrange it. So first, second, third, fourth. So first term is 4, second is 7, third is 16,800, and fourth is x. So we arrange it in this manner. So now I write, now I have to find this one. So I write product of means, so that is equal to the product of extremes. So the means are the second term and the third terms are known as means, and the first term and the fourth term is known as the extremes. That means the middle two terms are means, and the first one and the last one is known as the extreme. So I arrange it in that manner. So second term, that is 7 into 16,800, that is the means, and the product of extreme, that is 4 into x. So if we solve this, if we will get the value of x, so which is Rajan's income. So now just rotate this. That means I take 4x to this side. 4x equals to 7 into 16800. So now I write x equals to, now I take 4 to that side. So it becomes 7 into 16800 by 4. 4 is going to division. So now I cut 4 and 16800. It will become 4200. So which is equals to 7 into 4200, which is equal to rupees 29,400. So this will be the final answer for this question. So this is the income of Rajan. So now our next question is, an electric pole casts a shadow of length 20 meters at a time. When a tree 6 meters high casts a shadow of length 8 meters, find the height of the pole. So these are questions and I solved this. So first your length of shadow cast by pole. That means the length of the shadow that is casted by the pole. So that is equal to, it is given 20 meters. So now length of shadow. Shadow that is cast by the tree. So it is given 8 meter. So now I write length of the tree. That means that the height of the tree, that is given 3 meter. Sorry, 6 meter. So now I have to find out the length of the pole. So first for that, we make that in proportion. So that is proportion equals to, so first that will be the length of the shadow cast by them, and second will be the length of them. That means the length of the pole and the tree. So first we write x is to 6. That means the length of the pole and the tree, that is as it will be 20 is to 8. So x, that is the length of the pole, 20 that is the shadow cast by the pole, and 6 that is the length of the tree, and 8 that is the length of shadow cast by the tree. So now I write the product of means, that is equal to the product of extremes. So here, as I told, as middle two terms are known as the means, and the first and the last term is known as the extremes. So you write in that manner only. So means that is 6 into 20, and extremes that is x into 8. So in this question also we rotate the sign. That means we make x into 8 this side and 20 into 6 that side. So it becomes x into 8 equals to 6 into 20. Just rotate it. Now we write x equals to, now similarly as the previous question, we write 8 will go for division. So first we cut by 2. Now I cut 4 and 20 directly go, which will become 3 by 3 into 5. So it becomes 3 into 5, that is equals to 15 meter. So therefore 15 meter will be the final answer for this question. So now our next question is, the ratio of copper and zinc in an alloy is 9:5. If the weight of zinc in the alloy is 9.5 gram, what is the weight of copper in it? So this will be my question. So I solved it. So first we have ratio of zinc, copper and zinc equals to, it is given 9:5. So as copper is written first, that will be 9 for copper and zinc for 5. So you note it. 9 at weight of zinc as given the question. So it is given 9.5 gram. So from this we have to find the weight of the copper. So now I make the proportion. So proportion equals to, so first will be the ratio of copper and zinc, and after that there will be the ratio of the weight. So first the ratio, that is 9:5. As copper is written first, we have to take copper as x is to 9.5. As copper is written first, we take the weight of copper first and the zinc later. So now I write the formula, that is product of means equals to product of extremes. So first 5 and x are means, 9 and 9.5 is extreme. So write the means first, that is 5 into x equals to 9 into 9.5. So now we write x equals to 9 into 9.5. Now similarly take 5 to division. It will come here. So now I got 5 and 9.5. It will go directly. It will become 1.9. So it becomes 9 into 1.9. So if we multiply, you will get the weight of the copper, which is equal to, it will become 17.1 gram. So therefore, right, weight of copper equals to 17.1 gram. So this will be the final answer for this question. So our next and the last question is, the ratio of length and breadth of a rectangular plot is 9:5. If its breadth is 60 meter, find its length. So this is our question, and I solved this. So first we have ratio of length and breadth. That is equal to given 9:5. As length comes first, so 9 is for length and breadth comes second, so 5 for breadth. So now breadth equals to 60 meter as given in the question. So now write therefore proportion, we make our proportion. Proportion equals to, so first we the ratio of length and breadth, that is 9:5 is as length come first, so we have to write x here as the length of we have to find it, so we write x, and after that breadth, that is 60. So this will be a proportion and we have to find the value of x. So now I write our formula, that is product of means is equal to the product of extremes. Product of extremes. So first our means, that is 5 and x, and our extreme 9 and 60. So first write our means, that is 5 into x, that is now the extremes, that is 9 into 60. So similarly x equals to, write 9 into 60 by 5. Now I got 5 and 60, it becomes 12. So it becomes x equals to 9 into 12, that is equal to 108 meter. So therefore the length will be 108 meter. So this is the final answer for this question. So guys, this was for today's video, and please subscribe my channel for more solution.